Welcome to iGROW Online, a sanctuary for guided meditations that empower and inspire. I'm your facilitator, and I will be guiding you through my voice. In today's session, we'll embark on a journey of cultivating discipline and productivity. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Begin by observing your form, the space you occupy. Sense the steadiness beneath you, rooting you in the present. Now, shift your focus to your breath, simply being an observer. Feel the air's coolness as it enters, and its warmth as it departs. Take a moment to settle into the present moment, allowing any distractions to fade away. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any tension or scattered thoughts. Today, we invite you to harness the power of your mind and cultivate discipline to enhance your productivity. Imagine yourself in a tranquil space, surrounded by a serene atmosphere that inspires focus and clarity. As you inhale, envision breathing in a cool, calming energy that revitalizes your mind and body. As you exhale, release any mental clutter, making space for discipline and productivity to flourish. Bring your attention to the center of your being, your core essence that holds the power of discipline. Visualize a bright, radiant light residing within your core, representing your inner strength and determination. Feel this light expanding with each breath, infusing your entire being with unwavering focus. As this inner light grows brighter, affirm to yourself that you have the ability to stay disciplined and productive. Repeat silently or aloud, I am focused. I am disciplined. I effortlessly channel my energy towards achieving my goals. Picture your desired outcome, the goal you wish to accomplish. See it clearly in your mind's eye, visualizing the steps required to achieve it. Embrace the discipline within you, knowing that every action you take aligns with your purpose. Now, imagine a golden thread of discipline connecting your mind, body, and actions. Feel this thread anchoring you to the present moment, allowing you to stay focused and committed to the task at hand. With each breath, feel your discipline strengthening, fueling your productivity. As you progress on your journey towards productivity, acknowledge that distractions may arise. See these distractions as passing clouds in the sky of your mind. Let them float by without attachment. Refocusing your attention on the present moment and your goals. Embrace the rhythm of discipline and productivity, recognizing that progress is made one step at a time. Trust in your ability to stay focused, accomplish tasks, and create meaningful outcomes. As our guided meditation comes to an end, carry the energy of discipline and productivity with you throughout your day. Remember, discipline is not a rigid force, but a gentle guide that supports your growth and achievement. Now, start to gently reintegrate your awareness with your body and your surroundings. Feel how your body is resting. Take in the sounds that exist around you. When you feel ready, softly animate your fingers and toes, extend your body in a comfortable stretch, and open your eyes to the world. Take a moment to express gratitude for the discipline and focus you've cultivated within yourself. Appreciate the power of your mind and its ability to direct your energy towards productivity. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation today. Subscribe to our channel for more empowering meditations and resources to support your personal growth and productivity. May your discipline be unwavering, and your productivity be abundant. Trust in your abilities, stay focused, and bring your goals to fruition. Until next time, be disciplined, be productive, and embrace the journey. Take care, and be well.